Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this hairstyle. So this is what I was looking like for almost 2 weeks, but I decided to switch things up. I enjoy making my hair because it brings out my creative side and I love that so much. The first thing I'll be doing is to section my hair into two and I'm going to weave the back side. The weaving is not going to be tight because I'm going to cover it with the expression series extensions and I'm just going to crochet it into the braid. I went ahead to make a center parting on the front part and I applied gel and packed it up with a rubber band. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to crochet the kinky into the braids as you can see me doing in this video. So you get your crochet pin. So I applied gel on the middle part so it will be easy to pass through the braids. When I was done with this, I took the other side of the extensions and used a rubber band to tie the middle and use that to secure the hair. Then I took one part of the hair and used it to wrap around the sides where the rubber band was showing. And voila, the hairstyle is ready. I really love the outcome of this hair because my imagination became reality. It was everything I had in my head and I was so excited and proud of myself because I was able to achieve this. Now, if you watched to this point, I just want to say thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button and drop a comment and also share this video with your friends and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See ya!